Want to know how to sort up or book your flights in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily do it. Where you can just simply book a flight and just sort up in Agoda. So first things first, you can just simply open up your Agoda website or just simply open up the application. And once you're there, here you should be seeing transport on the top navigation bar right here. So you can just simply select transport. So once you have selected transport, here you can see flights. So alternatively, you can also type in flights.agoda.com. So once you have typed in flights.agoda.com, you should be directly provided with this interface right here. And make sure you have selected flights. And here you should be seeing round trip, one way or multi-city. You can select accordingly. And you can just simply choose your location right here. Let's say Sydney, and then your departure time accordingly. And you can also see the amount of people you want to take, and once that is done, here you should be seeing your flights coming up. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply select and book accordingly. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.